Hey guys, we're here today working on the Bayliner 2655. It's a 96 model. When we got the boat, it had some things that needed work. The plan was to make videos simply because we couldn't find anything out there. So as we worked on it, we wanted to make some videos to show some folks some of the things in case you run across on your boat that will hopefully help. So today we're going to look at the freshwater system. We're going to be looking where it's at, where the freshwater tank is, the pump, the replacement top, and hopefully get it working. So stick around, and here we go. So the boat's kind of a mess. Been doing a lot of work, a lot of cleaning. So this particular boat, we could not find a lot of information as to where the freshwater tank was located, the pump, things like that. So if you own this boat, under these stairs, there's a strap here. You're gonna pull that out. Those stairs slide out. Easy. So one of the big things, and maybe it's just lack of experience, what have you, but freshwater tank is here. So it's under the deck itself. So digging around in here, we have a lot of wiring and things that we've been working on. But here's our pump. This particular pump is discontinued. So if you run across this with this particular boat, we have the replacement pump. It is 4128-110-E04. This is supposed to be the direct replacement. It's 2 gallons a minute, whereas the one that was factory is 2.5, but let's see if it works. So I guess one of the first things, obviously we added water. We didn't see any leaks, but we've got into some issues, or maybe learning rather, but I actually turned this thing on. So if you look on your DC system, you've got your AC panel box. Has nothing to do with this, but there's actually what they call a breaker, the switch here. And we turn this on. Typically lights up. I've got the batteries off, but that should actuate or turn your pump on, so that when you turn this, your freshwater pump kicks on and you have water. So that's not happening. We checked. We do in fact have power to the wires to the pump. So we as soon as this pump's bad, instead of rebuilding it, we just we're going to replace it. So we're going to be doing that today. Okay, so now we've got the outgoing line, just because this threads in on this side and from the tank threads into this side. So you've got your incoming side, your outgoing side, both of these twist on. So I couldn't twist it off, so I've disconnected this line here. It goes to the actual system that comes out of the pump, and we're going to unscrew these fittings here. And I've got the wiring unhooked, and we should be able to pull this old pump out and then put the new pump in. There's our old pump. This is the pump 2901-0213. It's the model number here. And again, if you're curious, the direct replacement for this pump, 4128-110-E04. So we'll get this new pump in, get it wired, and see how it goes. Okay, so the old pump's out. We've got all the hoses off of it. Throwing some tape around these to seal up the threads. I've already got the outgoing side hooked up here. I'm going to go ahead and spin the incoming on this side, put this line back up down here, and then get this thing wired back in, which I've marked with these yellow markers, and yellow down there. So here we go. All right, guys. So new pump's in. Got the wires there. Got it marked yellow. Our vent line is stopped up. We realized, we noticed after we powered it up, So what we have, pump's running, but we had a little bit of water come out, so gonna add some more water to the tank, clean up this vent, and see what we got. All right, guys, we got water. Breaker's on. This kills the pump.